Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick review, we're talking about the Planet Fuse app, a game that claims you can earn real money just by merging planets. But is it actually legit or just another ad trap? Quick disclaimer, all the information shared here is based on online research and personal opinion. Planet Fuse is currently in early access on the Google Play Store with over 100,000 downloads, but oddly, there are no public reviews, which is a big red flag. So the app claims you can earn money by playing, and it shows big numbers at you fast, like a $50 reward just for getting started. But as you get closer to the supposed $300 payout threshold, rewards suddenly drop to just a few cents or stop completely. Many users have reported that once they reach the minimum amount to cash out, the withdraw button either disappears or stops working. On top of that, there are no credible reviews, no proof of payments, and the app keeps pushing ads hard, meaning the developers are earning, but users likely aren't. So, is Planet Fuse real or fake? Based on what we've seen, it's highly likely to be a fake money making app. It's designed to keep you watching ads, not to actually pay you. Play it for fun if you like the game, but don't count on any cash. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Planet Fuse yourself, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest app reviews.